So Samsung has been making some interesting news for a couple of months now, which I completely missed. Let's be honest, I'm not the best when it comes to reporting the latest news, but you can rely on me for delivering the most interesting content. So Samsung apparently unveiled a way of typing without a keyboard on your phone. It's the invisible AI keyboard tech which they unveiled back in CES, which I don't know how I missed. It uses your front camera to identify where the fingers are placed approximately, and it uses those finger movements as you would typically type on a keyboard. So you don't really need any extra hardware for this by the looks of it. You just keep your phone in a horizontal position and type away on any surface that you have. So the phone should register all the key presses as you are typing on a normal keyboard, at least in theory. The demonstration did look pretty good, but I'm not sure how soon can we see this in real life. Samsung has even given this thing a name called SelfieType. It's quite clever, I guess, even though it doesn't sound very interesting because it is using the selfie camera of your phone to track your fingers. Samsung has used in-depth machine learning and artificial intelligence based like image recognition and all that great stuff to somehow map a virtual layout of keyboard in front of your hands and allow you to type on the same thing. So I guess this is just another version of one of those laser keyboards which were quite popular a couple of years ago. If you remember back in, I think, 2018 or 2017, this crowdfunding campaign was making a lot of headlines with its virtual laser keyboard. But that thing was primarily being advertised for a laptop and it didn't work really well. That thing had a laser projection of a virtual keyboard layout on any surface that you have, and you were supposed to type on it. But it didn't really take off because the laser projection, even though it's a cool concept like sci-fi Iron Man stuff, but when all the keys are laid in a same plane, like there is no plane of separation between different rows of keys, when a sensor is placed directly in front of your fingers, it's very difficult for the sensor to identify which keys are you pressing in what row, and most importantly in what order, because once you start typing, if you are an experienced typer, you tend to pick up pace very fast. So if the accuracy of the sensor is only limited to something like one key press per 2 seconds or so, then you will definitely be frustrated and throw that thing out and switch to a normal keyboard. In addition to just typing on the thing, Samsung has also introduced some gestures in the air for actions like send and delete and backspace. So I guess that would be really cool. Like for people like me who type their scripts and blogs on their phone, not having to touch their phone all the time when you're in a cafeteria maybe would be really helpful. You can just keep your phone aligned to a surface and start typing. Besides, typing on all of your fingers is a lot more comfortable than just typing on your thumbs, especially when you're typing paragraph after paragraph. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to SelfieType being a thing in the market nowadays. It would be really cool to have something like that baked into your phone, not just to increase the sex appeal of your phone, but also to improve the functionality of it. So that was it, just a quick little video to kill your boredom and be informative at the same time. What do you think of SelfieType? Do you really think it's as innovative as Samsung is claiming it to be? Let me know in the comments down below. So as you can imagine, it's quite difficult to make content based on gadgets in the quarantine time like this because you can't really get anything delivered to you, and even if you can, it takes way longer than it's supposed to. So yeah, that's basically the reason why there hasn't been much content lately. But I am working on it, so stay tuned for that. Samsung is also making some crazy things with artificial humans. Yeah, that's right. Samsung is designing full-fledged AI-powered artificial humans. You can find out more from my other channel there. I have made another short video, so check it out. With that said, until next time, take it easy and happy Quarantine Day.